Welcome to Inner Bliss. This is a morning meditation to help you find the glow inside of you. Let's begin by closing your eyes and getting very comfortable. Uncrossing your legs, allowing your arms to fall beside of you. Now take one deep breath in. Breathe in the newness of the day as you fill your body with air. Exhale anything that makes you tired or sleepy. And continue to breathe in the newness and the crispness of the morning. In and out. Continue to breathe in deep and exhale all the way out. Notice how your breath becomes an easy pattern and is allowing you to relax. With each breath, you continue to move inward. You begin to feel the air on your skin. It's very cool and relaxing this morning. You notice any sounds that you may hear around you, and you allow them to be what they are. You notice the rise and fall of your breath, and just allow yourself to be here right now. If any thoughts come to your mind, just gently recognize them and let them leave. Come back to your focus and continue to breathe. As you're sitting here, you recognize that today is a new day. It's a beautiful day, a day of new opportunities, and a time for a fresh start. Let's take a moment with each breath and inhale love, gratitude, and joy. And exhale kindness and love. You begin to notice that the source of all of this, love, gratitude, joy, kindness, and love, are all part of who you are. It's all inside of you. So continue to take in a deep breath in and feel the deep warmth inside of you. Notice that there's a glowing, beautiful yellow coming from your solar plexus, and it begins to radiate into a rainbow from your core out. It's beautiful colors. It's just glowing. You notice it is you that is glowing. You begin to smile and relax, and you bask in your own personal glow. Now continue to bring your attention to your breath. Every time you breathe in, imagine that the oxygen that you breathe in is giving more life to your glow. See each of the colors grow a little brighter and a little bigger with each breath, until the reds and the orange and the yellow, the green, the blue, and the violets are all radiating all around you, illuminating from inside of you. You begin to feel the lightness, the joy, the gratitude. You recognize that you glow beautifully. And now I want you to take a second to think about how you can take your glow into your day. How it can become part of your hugs and your words and your actions. How you can show your glow to others and maybe help ignite someone else's. Now I want you to take a moment to envision those you love stepping into your glow and how it makes them feel. Take a few moments for each person in your life. Maybe family members, maybe friends, and just take a few moments. Now I want you to notice how good the sharing your glow makes you feel. You notice that your glow gets brighter and brighter, and you realize that you are meant to shine. Take a few moments to feel that feeling. Maybe even pack it up to bring it back with you. Now I want you to take a deep breath in and take a moment just to go back to that feeling of where each of your family and friends, and maybe even strangers, stepped into your glow and how you saw it made them feel. And take a few moments to think about how it made you feel. I want you to take those feelings and put them inside of your heart, keeping it with you throughout the day and having access at any time that you wish to come back to this feeling, to share your glow with others, or to feel your glow for yourself. Now with your next breath in, I want you to begin to move your toes slowly, maybe your fingers or your head, and bring yourself back to this moment. Take time just to kind of stretch. Take in a deep breath, and as you exhale, just gently open your eyes, pick up your journal, and begin to write about your experience.